Let's go over how to use Myplanner. So you'll log into your PeopleSoft account, and you'll see in the upper left corner Myplanner. Now some folks don't have it yet for a variety of reasons. You can just use the traditional um, way to plan, which I'll just highlight right here, where if you go to my home page, um, you'll see a plan, that's like a blank plan that you can fill out. You'll see a guide that actually gives you the prereq sequence of everything that you have to take. Because even though Myplanner is accurate, sometimes you want to actually plan it out a little bit before you start clicking on the tool. So once you click on Myplanner, you'll have to click through and look at a few things. And you'll come up to your list of plan. And here we have a student that actually I think is coming in the fall, and they don't have any AP credit or anything like that. Now let's say you did have AP credit. What you could do is click on Arrange My Plan, which I've done through already right here, and just pull that Math 30 up into unassigned. Now that doesn't mean you don't have to take it, but if you think you have that AP credit that hits Calc 1, that's great. Now, if you're doing that, it would be best to then pull up Physics 50, all right, and actually bring back Chem 1A, and you want to keep going on the math, right? And then I want my Physics 51 in the spring, and let's see, that's 15. I can also move this math around so that I can try to get a more even plan. Now, to truly accelerate you by one semester, you'd really have to have the Physics 50 up there as well. It's just not enough units. But that's kind of how you could just use by pushing things around. It won't give you an error if you put in something wrong. It'll be here when you click OK, and it'll tell you if you can't do something. All right. So that's Arrange My Plan to kind of get rid of something that you might have had. But what if you want to add semesters? Let's say you only want to take 12 units a semester, or you want to actually take summer courses in the future. Well, then you can click on Edit Preferences. And when that comes up, you'll see all these semesters. So what I could do is, let's say I only wanted around 12. I could add a semester fall instead of 23. Yep, fall 22. Okay. Then I could just start just typing in what I would like for an average course load. Right. And then you might, let's say, but in order to stay on track, you wanted to take summer classes. All I'd have to do is, let's say I want to take something here in the summer of 19. I'd put in summer 19. And usually, you could put in 4 because that'll pick up a physics class or something like that. And then you would click OK, and it would generate a whole plan that then you most likely would have to go back into a range plan to make sure that it's right. Now, really, if you can get pretty close before you come into advising, that's fantastic. I haven't really shown it exactly how it goes because this is a real student, and I have trouble getting rid of that student information. But really, the next step would be to run my progress. Which in beneath here, you just click on it, run my progress. And anything red is something that the system thinks you haven't done. And if you think you've done it and the system doesn't show it, well, then come in and we'll figure out it's probably just some piece of paperwork. That's pretty much it.